This is related to intelligence. It has to do with learning styles and preferences. Some definitions of intelligence label it or define it as the ability to learn. Now, styles and preferences. Don't get too caught up on these two words and the differences. Yes, there are differences, but most authors use these words interchangeably. First of all, think of how you learn best, how you like to learn. Learning styles is the way people like to approach study and learning. How do you like to learn best? How do you like to obtain knowledge? How do you best process and interpret incoming data? How do you come to know the world around you? And again, first of all, humans are not standardized products. Our brains all work differently. So this question of learning styles has to do with how you like to study and learn. It is a part of intelligence. Successful intelligence is learning how to use the way your mind works to solve problems and create products. What type of environment do you like to learn in? Do you like a quiet or a loud one? Do you like bright lighting or not bright lighting? Physical surroundings, soft chair, upright chair, etc., etc. This has to do with learning preferences. Process information. How do you best take in, interpret, and organize information? Do you like to think about it, or do you need to talk to another person? Some people need to talk out loud to hear themselves, to see if they understand things. Do you like to learn together, or do you like to, in small group, or do you like to learn by yourself? How do you best process information? What about structure? Some people like highly structured learning environments. Other people like less formal, activity-oriented. Some people like the freedom to explore. Some people, hearing the word creativity excites them. Other people like it laid out. And also related to structure is, can we see the structure of the information that we take in? Now, this idea of visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners, most humans learn by doing. This idea that you are more visual or more auditory, well, there may be a slight preference, but the big thing is we all learn if it is multimodal. If you see something, hear something, and are able to do something, all right? If you're able to get people moving. And that's the big picture. First of all, humans are not standardized products. One size does not fit all. The idealized school would give parents or teachers or students preferences in how they like to learn, what types of things they like to learn. As well, the big picture is all learning should be multimodal. Very few of us learn by passively receiving information. The learning pyramid, average retention rate. Okay, we can hear something, we can read it or see it, see both of them, audio-visual, see a demonstration, or if we can do something, discuss in a group, practice by doing, or teach others, our retention rate is going to go up. We are going to manipulate information at deeper levels and process more deeply. And learning styles, preferences. And again, the big picture is we all learn by learning that is multimodal.